Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will start reviewing the performance of his ministers from Tuesday. The week-long high-level review will focus on each minister's achievements, problems and challenges in the past 2 years. The CM will ask for a detailed report card from every department. Senior officers including the Chief Secretary will also join the meetings. After the review at Bhopal, 2 more days of department-wise meetings will be held in Khajuraho on December 8th and 9th. The aim is to ensure better governance, transparency and faster decision making. The International Gita Festival has begun at Ujjain's Dashera Maidan and will run from December 1st to 3rd. On Monday morning, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav inaugurated the event. A large number of saints, school children and young batuks participated. The CM welcomed Saints Ranganatharya Maharaj on stage before the chanting of sacred Gita Shlok by priests. The festival aims to spread the message of the Bhagavad Gita and promote cultural values. Devotees from different places are expected to join the 3-day celebrations. On the first day of the winter session of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly, the House held a discussion on crop damage caused by heavy rainfall. Urban Development Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya presented the Municipal Amendment Bill, which will be discussed on Tuesday. The Congress raised issues including the Chhindwara cough syrup case, Indore MY hospital matter and the death of BLO workers causing some disruption. The winter session will continue till December 5th. The government said important urban reform will come through the new bill. More than 5,000 farmers from Barwani, Dhar, Khargone and Khandwa district staged a road blockage on National Highway 52 at Khalghat. They are demanding MSP and loan waiver. District Collector Priyank Mishra held a meeting with farmer representative, but no solution was reached. After the failed talk, farmers announced that the protest will continue. Traffic remained affected for several hours due to the jam. Farmers say they will not end the agitation until their demands are accepted by the government. A bridge on the Bareilly-Piparia road in Raisen district collapsed suddenly on Monday. 2 motorcycles passing over it fell down as the structure gave way. 4 people including a laborer were injured. The administration has closed the damaged bridge completely. Manager A.A. Khan has been suspended for negligence in maintenance work. A 3-member committee has been formed to investigate the incident and will submit its report within 7 days. The collapse created panic among commuters in the area. In Chhatarpur, a groom demanded Rs 20 lakhs from the bride's family just before the wedding rituals. When the bride side said they could not arrange the money, the groom left the venue along with the entire wedding party. Angry family members and locals blocked the Chhatarpur-Nagaon road on Monday in protest. Police reached the spot and cleared the jam. A case has been registered against 8 people. The incident has sparked a strong reaction against dowry demands. The National T20 Cricket for the Blind Nagesh Trophy 2025-26 has started at Ranital Stadium in Jabalpur. Teams from Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Haryana and Puducherry are participating. The 5-day tournament will feature a total of 10 matches. Players from across the country attended the colourful opening ceremony. Organizers said the event aims to encourage blind cricket talent and promote inclusivity in sports. Spectators gather in large number to support the teams. Madhya Pradesh recorded the coldest November in 84 years. In Bhopal, the temperature dropped to 5.2 degrees Celsius, the lowest since record began. Indore also experienced its coldest November in 25 years. Weather experts say December will remain even colder with night temperatures in several cities expected to fall below 5 degrees Celsius. Cold wave conditions are likely in Bhopal, Indore, Ujjain, Gwalior and Chambal regions. However, slight relief from harsh wind is expected for the next 2 days.